Hear that? What up, fam bam? Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel if you've never been here before. Before I get started, I want to ask you to like, comment, subscribe, and share the video. If you like it, give me a thumbs up. If you don't like it, give me a thumbs down. Comment down in the comment section below. Let me know what you think about it or what you think I should have done differently. And just holler at your boy. Today's video, you guys, is going to be on changing the tensioner pulley and belt, serpentine belt, on my 1999 Chevy Silverado 1500 5.3. I could just change the tensioner. I could just change the pulley itself, but I'm going to change the whole thing, the tensioner and the pulley. Thank you guys for hanging in there with me and roll with me, you heard? Okay, you guys, first thing you want to do is take your breather hose off. That's an 8mm. Here. Right here. 8mm. Another one right here. Take that off, get it out the way. Then your tensioner is behind it. Right down there. Straight down here. I'll show you when I get that tube out the way. Okay, now I'm gonna go ahead and take this shroud off. It's basically, I don't know if you can see it, but right here, you pop it up, pop it out. I'll show you when I get it out. 10mm here. 10mm here. And down the side, you can see them. One back here. And one here. I think those are plugs though. Yeah, they're plugs. Anyway, I'll get it out and get it out the way. Alright guys, there's the belt. There's the pulley. You want to turn it, it's a 15mm. You can use a wrench or a breaker bar. You want to turn it clockwise to loosen the belt. So I'm going to do that. I should have bought that other belt because it's bad. You can see it's bad. But I'll have to redo it because I ain't about to. That's my AC belt. I'll change that later because my AC needs to be fixed anyway. But that might be my squeaking. But anyway, I'm going to change it. And like I said, you put your 15 here. Let me see where it's at. Just had it. Put it on here. Turn it clockwise to loosen it. And of course, the shorter the ratchet, the more it's going to resist. The longer the ratchet, the more leverage you'll have to move it. But let me get it off and I'll change it. And then and what it is this bolt back here, and then there's one under here. I keep putting my phone in front of my light, but anyway, I'll show you when I get it off. Okay, got one here, one down there, and one there. Oh yeah. Okay, short one at the bottom, two long ones at the top. There it is. Two long ones at the top, short one at the bottom. And I'm gonna go ahead on and change that belt down there too. My AC belt is pretty bad. It's probably the one that's making the most noise. But if you can hear this, it's making some noise too. So I'm gonna change them. Okay, that particular belt tensioner is a 1/2 inch. Just put your 1/2 inch ratchet on it, the front of it, and pull down on it. Release the belt and pull it off. It only goes around the crank and the AC compressor. And you can see that belt is pretty bad. Actually, it's not a 1/2 inch. It's a 3/8. You just put your 3/8 in there. Let's see if I could get it up there. Put your 3/8 in there and release the tension and pull the belt off. But I can't do it with one hand, so I'll show you guys. You can see the tension is released on it, and I'll pull it out. Okay, that's the tensioner pulley for the AC belt. This bolt here and this one right here. And actually, that's probably where most of the problem was. If you could hear all of that noise, you shouldn't hear anything when you turn it. It's making up some noise. So that's probably where most of the squeaking came from. Anyway, I'm not going to change it right now because I'm not going back to the auto parts. I went back to get the belt and the top pulley. But that's how you change that one. 2 bolts, here, and done. And the belt just goes around the AC unit here and the crankshaft pulley right here. So I'll show you guys when I do it, but I'm not doing it right now. I'm gonna leave the belt off since the AC is not working, and I'll just put the other belt back on. That's how that's supposed to be, no noise. But you don't always have to change the whole tensioner. You could just change the pulley. Take this out and put a new pulley on it, because the bearing is in here, inside of here. But if your tensioner is weak, then you change it, but I just go ahead and change the whole thing anyway. Okay, it's done. New belt, new pulley.